Hello. On March 15, the question that you could ask yourself would be perhaps how would you be doing to obtain a better life? That is a question that may become necessary if you want to really fully take advantage of your potentials, talent, or whatever may be necessary for you to succeed in life and to make that same life a lot more interesting, a lot more rewarding in many ways. Well, this chart, which was drawn for 12 a.m., on the 15th of March, or March 15, 2026. So, of course, if you were born west of Greenwich or the universal timeline, it would still be the 14th of March. Work it out for yourself. It's not something so important, but still, I would say that if you're in tune with the configurations, meaning if you act more or less exactly when the exact configuration occurs, then you're in tune with the universe. And it may become a lot easier for the energies of the planets to deliver. And so, on that day and time, you see here that the moon is conjunct Pluto. 4 degrees and 50 minutes in Aquarius. And it forms a sextile here, which is a very beneficial type of configuration with Neptune and Saturn. So, well, I have given you a lot of information about Saturn and Neptune since those two planets are traveling now through Aries, which has begun earlier this year. And as such, they represent now the need for us to act. Action is represented by Aries because Aries is represented by Mars. So you may be in that situation where if you act according to what you believe, which is represented by Neptune, and in a very rational, constructive manner, then you'll attain satisfaction. But on this day, the 15th of March, you may need to review all that, you see, because Pluto represents regeneration. So the question that you need to ask yourself is, what do I need to regenerate to have or deserve a better life? And to obtain concretely what I am dreaming of. You know, what is your dream? What is the ideal situation for you? Because on that day, you may find exactly what should be done to allow yourself to build on new grounds, perhaps, and determine something that is going to end you, which is probably going to do so very quickly afterwards, very soon. Because between the moon here and Neptune, Saturn in Aries, there will be about 5 days. That's what the moon needs to travel 2 sides, this one and this one. And when that happens, therefore, if on the 15th of March or 14th of March, you act according to, well, what you have decided as being the right move to make, then you should be rewarded. And perhaps it's not even what we can call a reward. It's like a payback. You've done that, you've achieved something important, then therefore you deserve what you are going to get, you know? And that is just harvesting, perhaps. And the notion of harvesting must be linked to what you do once the plant or the seed is planted. Then you look after the ground, the soil, so that, you know, it can give birth to a beautiful plant. And that plant may, I'm not saying actually, and I cannot guarantee that it is going to flourish 5 days after you take that decision, but you never know. It could be. In any case, there is a repercussion that will be created between this day and this configuration, when the moon conjuncts Pluto, and when it conjuncts Neptune and Saturn. That's very logical. So, because Neptune and Saturn conjunct represents our ability to realize concretely our best side of ourselves, but also the best talent or best potential, you know, anything positive in us may become a source of concrete realization. And that perhaps you will take note of on the 15th of March or 14th of March, depending on where you are on the planet. And that will make a lot of difference because, as I said earlier on, if you act, if you connect with the energy of Pluto on that day, you will accept what is going to end. Because if you regenerate a situation, you need to also probably get rid of some aspects of it so that you can regenerate. And that is what is going to happen. And if you are okay with this, with what I'm explaining now, of course, it will be much easier for you, and you take note of it. On the 15th or 14th of March, decide. Get connection with Pluto, which is representing regeneration. You should feel it inside of yourself. It could be actually physical regeneration, physiological regeneration, or psychological regeneration. It is some sort of regeneration that will have a very strong meaning, very important, very profound meaning. And that is on that meaning that you should focus to make sure that 5 days later, which would be the 20th of March or the 19th of March perhaps, on the day of the new moon, which is going to occur at the end of Pisces, well, you could very well be in a position of obtaining the concrete result, and that would actually be in remarkable connection with that notion of new moon, because the new moon represents a new beginning. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video once more, and I wish you all the very best. And I will say to you, see you soon, because there will be another video on this channel tomorrow. Bye for now. All the best. Take care.